Right, we get to revision 19, all to do with vectors. And it's just vector addition. Now a vector literally takes you across to a point. This is vector A going all this way, and you could say it's 3 across, 2 up. That always goes to right and left, and that's up or down. Vector B, again 3 across, but maybe 2 down. So that's those vectors. They give you these 5 vectors, and then they just say A minus B, A minus C, etc. And let's just show you how you do this, because it is really not as complicated as it looks. Vector A minus vector B, just the word sounds complicated, doesn't it? But literally you write vector A out and B, and it's 12 minus 7, and then 15 minus 3, and that gets you your new vector. And A minus C, 12 minus 1 is 11, 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is testing your skills with negative numbers. And also you can see I went so fast through this that I made some mistakes in just writing out the question incorrectly. So this is actually question D, C minus B. So vector 1, 8 minus vector 7, 3. And what you do is you do 1 minus 7 is minus 6. So be careful with your negative numbers. Use a calculator if you want to, if you can. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then question E, A minus D is 12 over 15 minus 2 over minus 5. Now you can't see this, but I made a mistake. When I was rushing through, I forgot the minus and the minus make a plus. So here, 12 minus 2 is 10. 15 minus minus 5 means add to give you your 20. So we can all make these mistakes. And then we get to this one here, B minus C. And you can see it's, again, how I do this. 6 minus 5. F is E minus B. So I'm just checking I've got this right. Minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. Minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. E minus D is minus 8 minus 2. You go down. Minus 9 minus minus 5. If you take away and take away, you go up. So it's minus 4. And then with these questions, it's 3a. So you triple that vector. So I've done a second line. So it's 3 lots of this. So it's 3 lots of 12, 3 lots of 15. And then 36 minus 7 is 29. 45 minus 3 is 42. And then this bottom one, 2c minus 2b. So double the c, double the b. So I doubled the c to make it 2 over 16. And I've doubled the b to make it 14, 6. And then it's 2 minus 14, which is actually minus 12. And then 16 minus 10. You see how easy it is to make mistakes with negative numbers. And then we get to these ones. They look really complex. But all you do is here, 6 lots of B. So I write it out, 4 lots of A. And that's 6 7s are 42, 18, 48, 60. 42 minus 48 is minus 6. 18 minus 16 minus 42. In K, it's 3D minus 4B, so it's 3D minus 4B. So as I'm saying this, I'm just checking that I've got it right. So that's 6 minus 15, 28. And notice I don't do the minus yet. I literally just do it as a positive. And then I keep the minus there. 6 minus 28 is minus 2. Minus 15 minus 12 is minus 27. And then lastly, 7e minus 10d. So 7 lots of E is there and 10 lots of D is there. Just be careful with all the negatives. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 8s are 56 and it's a minus. 7 9s, 63, it's a minus. Forget that minus, so it's 20 minus 50. Now bring it back in. Minus 56 minus 20, you go down even further. Minus 63 minus a minus, I'm coming back up to minus 13. So that's how you do those ones there. And I'm just going to stop that one there. It's vectors. You need to know how to do it, but it really is very straightforward.